Welcome to Majimon's English program, or Burglish, where we mix Burmese and English and call it Burglish. မင်္ဂလာပါဒီနေ့ကတော့မချေးမုံရဲ့ English အစီအစဉ်ကကြိုဆိုပါတယ် Burglish လည်းခေါ်ပါတယ်เนาะ Burglish ဆိုတာဗမာနဲ့ဗမာစကားနဲ့ English စကားကိုရောပြီးရခါကျတော့ mix လုပ်ပြီးရခါကျတော့ Burglish လို့ပြောပါတယ်เนาะ so ဒီနေ့ကတော့ချေးမုံတို့က credit cards တွေကြောင်းပြောမယ်เนาะအကျွေးဝယ်ကပ်များကြောင်းပြောမယ်เนาะ the good and the bad ကောင်းတဲ့ဟာလည်းမကောင်းတဲ့ဟာဒီ credit cards တွေကြောင်းပြောမယ်So today, our session program for today is about credit cards and about the good and the bad and the perks of credit cards. So credit. Credit means when you borrow money from the borrower and you have to repay them with interest, no? So in Burmese, it's actually easy because we say ajoy, which means kind of like debt. You owe them something, no? Nyamalam yo pyoin credit ka ajoy, no? The borrower, the lender o sa pasan pian payame, no? A donut, interest, a donut, no? And so the myai credit you lie ajoy yaပိုများမှာပေါ့เนาะအတိုးကလည်းပိုများမှာပေါ့เนาะအတိုးများမယ် So let's talk about credit cards and do you use them? I was in New York City and at the Javits Center and it was pretty hot because there were so many people around. Luckily, I saw the credit cards lounge. I'm not going to say the name, and I got to hang out there. No, I got to get all the Wi-Fi, free fast Wi-Fi, I got coffee, I got drinks, I got snacks for free. And I got to relax and look at everybody on the bottom. I was gonna say below. No, that were like all hanging out on the bottom, but I got to be at this lounge. So the credit card sheet kacha chemoa atusa akanle dwe like that, no lounge. Di niyama coffee de lemyai talo yare. Wi-Fi internet လည်းအများမြန်နဲ့ phone နဲ့ computer နဲ့လည်းသုံးလို့ရတယ် and အားလုံးကသွားလို့မရဘူးကြေးမုံတယောက်ပဲဘာဖြစ်လို့ဆိုတော့ credit card ရှိလို့ So if you have a credit card you can the more you use it the more points you get right so you unlock these perks of traveling going to restaurants and even shopping So the credit card ရှင် အများကြီးလုပ်နိုင်တယ်เนาะ credit cards ရှင်အမှတ်များတွေကိုစုရတယ်เนาะ so you have to gather points စုရတယ် gather စုเนาะစုရတယ် points တွေကအမှတ် points and when you gather these points အမှတ်တွေကိုစုရင်ခီးသွားလို့ရတယ်ဒီအမှတ်တွေနဲ့ထမင်းဆိုင်တွေမှာသွားစားလို့ရတယ်No, alaga and zeri le myai welo yare shopping you can shop So the bad part about getting a credit card is if you forget to pay off the credit card balance each month you will get a fine and interest of 25% So the credit card makaune haroအကျွေးရအရင်များတယ်เนาะအတိုးရအရင်များတယ်25% ပေးရမယ်เนาะဒီလစဉ်မှာဒီအကျွေးကိုမပေးနိုင်ရင် or မေ့သွားရင်မပေးရင်25% အတိုးပေးရမယ်အဲ့တော့$1,000 balance ရှင် or အကျွေးတင်เนาะthe town ပတ်စံမပေးရင်$250 $250ပို့ပေးရမယ်$250ပြီးသွားပြီ So if you have a credit card or credit cards you have to be responsible Do you think it's worth it? Credit card ရှင်တာဝန်တော့ယူရမယ်เนาะ responsible တာဝန်ယူရမယ် responsible တာဝန်ယူရမယ် Is it worth it? Do you have one? Tell me. Tell me below in the comments. I also wanted to tell you that this is a great financial advice I hope that you're getting. And if you want to see more finances, see more finance videos, just let me know and write in the comments below. See you next time. Di Machimo English season nga arabat be nautakama dreamer. Burglish ka nautakama dreamer. We'll see you next time on Machimo's English program and Burglish. Bye. Don't swipe credit cards too much.